Good morning. So last night I set up camp just down there, and I was looking at this cabin thinking, like initially I thought, oh, maybe you have to book this cabin, and so I didn't even bother coming up and looking. Anyway, I'd set up camp, I'd gone for a swim, I'd eaten my dinner, and I was uploading all the footage from yesterday. And it was like an hour or something that the footage was taking to upload. And so I was like, oh, I'll just go and have a look. Go and look at this cabin. And sure enough, it's like a hunters and hikers cabin. And, you know, you can spend the day here, and in some cases you can spend the night and things like that. And so it was like 11 o'clock at night, and I was like, I'm going to stay here. There's a nice little foam mattress. A little cabin in the woods. It was very cool. Had a nice little table that I did the rest of my uploading on. It's got firewood, a little fireplace. Well, I didn't need it. I was actually quite warm last night. And I almost didn't have my sleeping bag on all night. There you go. It was pretty good. Like, it has foam mattresses, which is nice. Yeah. So anyway, spent the night in the cabin. Anyway, there's no toilet in the cabin, but there is one down this way. Very nice spot indeed. Anyway, I'll pack things up, have a bit of breakfast, and then we'll hit the road. Now, I had 2 of these water bottles yesterday, but one of them fell off. They normally go here, and I thought that because of this neck, it was impossible for it to fall off. Because on my first day, if you go back to that episode, I lost a bottle, but it was the flat bottle. Anyway, and then I got these in Finland, and I thought, oh yeah, they're perfect, you know, they won't fall off. Still managed to lose one yesterday. Anyway, all good. The best thing about this place is it was literally just on the tap. So, anyway. Let's skedaddle. Now, I am technically in a walking spot, so no crazy burnouts here, guys. Respect it. Respect the area, and then maybe people won't be angry. There's also a caravan just up here, so be careful on the railroad, and I think I've said this before, but stopping on the railroad to take a photo is very, very enticing. But for me, it's like, okay, so I stop on the railroad and I take a photo, and then I realise, oh shit, there's a train coming. I try to go and get my bike, I stall it. Because I've stalled it, maybe I've lost my footing, I slip over, you know. Just the whole chaos of being nervous and going, what the f*** am I doing? Or like trying to get out of the way of this train, and you make mistakes. Like, it could happen so easily. So I tend to not stop on train tracks, even though I can see so far ahead. Anyway, just, you never know. That's just me. I'm just a nervous guy, I suppose. Okay guys, we're here, we made it. This is the room. It's nice, I've already started unloading some things. This is the best room I've had so far, and it's the cheapest. It's in Helsinki. It was 79 euros, which was very nice. Nice little shower. I've already indulged in a shower. Anyway, the total kilometers for today is about 900, 910, something like that. And 200 of which was off-road in the morning. So that was a hell of a big day, a really big day. It's the most I've ridden on a motorbike. Some of you have probably ridden a lot further, but that's massive for me. That's the end of the trip. Tomorrow I go home. I'll go back to Tallinn. Anyway, I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be some more trips in the future. I've got a lot of footage to edit now. A lot. I think I've got 2 terabytes worth of footage. So it's going to be a lot of work, but I'll do it. I'll get it out to you guys, and hopefully you enjoy the episodes. If you enjoyed this episode, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.